Meaning of health farm.
Health farm.
Health farm.
Health farm.
Health farm. A health farm is a type of facility that provides accommodations, meals, and various health-oriented activities designed to improve physical and mental wellness. These facilities typically offer health-related services such as fitness classes, spa treatments, nutritional counseling, and stress management programs. The aim of a health farm is to help individuals adopt healthier lifestyle habits and improve their overall well-being. Many people choose to visit health farms as a way to relax and take a break from their daily routines while also focusing on their health and fitness goals.